We have Toby over here trying to park the U-Haul. Bring her back. Come on, keep her going. See Mr. Toberson. He's got this in the back.
Stop. You're good.
Bro, you can't.
Hell yeah, brother. I was that for a first time parking job with a big truck.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be helping Xander move into our new house in Orlando. So first we gotta fly to freaking Arkansas.
We've been walking for miles.
And once we fly there, we have to drive 14 freaking hours back all the way to Orlando with a U-Haul and a dog. Do you have any comments about which seat Xander picked for you?
Why am I in the middle, bro?
I got the aisle.
I got the biggest.
Oh my god. John, put it back in your pants. This has got to be the longest 2-hour flight that I have ever been on. I'll tell you what, man, I've been here for 5 minutes.
This place sucks.
I was gonna say,
Oh my
I was
goodness.
gonna say something else, but
Bro,
I can't
bought
say
the
it out loud.
Toyota Corolla.
Literally not prefaced this enough. How long is the drive, Xander?
It's 18 hours.
I thought it was 12, bro. God damn it! Ah! I think John's gonna be driving this thing.
Brother, I've been doing this for 38 years. I could tell by the machine. Oh my God, that's, ooh. Look at this. This right here, perfect fit for what I'm packing.
Bro, how much you have in there? Christ, it literally is packed to the brim. This is the Supra that we're gonna be wrapping too. So this is gonna be Ruby Star? Yeah, that's the color. That is gonna be nasty. What's done to this again?
It's full bolt-on 85 nut.
Hit it from the back! Woo! Woo! John's new whip, he traded in the Cloudstang, so he's gonna be driving this thing for 18 hours. You excited?
Yes.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
Xander's dog that he bought to come move down. John's gonna be taking care of her. Her name's Rufus, very fitting.
One of us is not making it alive.
Didn't you mention you're gonna put on like a package on this to make it run like AIDS or something?
That's the goal.
That'd be pretty sick.
And if you look to our left, you see Mr. Cloudstang getting into the U-Haul.
You gonna give us some sauce in this thing? It's on meth right now? No? Just one bolt on?
Just on 93 right now.
93? Xander, odds 1 to 10 that my computer actually stays on and doesn't die before my school project exports.
We're at a solid 2.5 right now.
Bro, it's at like 10%. I hope it makes it. We just passed that 1,000 mile mark, and now the weather is absolute garbage. So, I don't know, we might have to pull over. It's pretty sketch. Xander's saying that he can't see much.
5% 10 on the whips.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That would explain it right there. Stop, I don't even know what. 35? Third stop. Rufus, how are you? Oops, accidentally hit the chair. Nah, she's good. She's enjoying herself, John.
I took her for a pee and I put her back in. I filled up her water bowl and she knocked it out the second I put her back in.
Oh my god! Yeah, that's definitely getting censored.
No, it's not.
Yeah, time to go. See you later, John. We'll see you in like 5 hours, okay?
What's up? My name is Xander. Welcome back to the vlog. Toby is over there driving the U-Haul with all of my in it. Hopefully he doesn't crash it, because if he does, my life is gone. John, what do we think about that?
I just want to sleep.
John clearly just wants to sleep, but we're actually not going to let John sleep. We're actually going to be doing pulls in the Supra for the next 4 hours.
myself if this video breaks 1,000 likes, so hit that like button.
Make sure you smash that like button. Guys, Toby is not with us at the moment, but we have made it to Georgia. We're about to go meet up with Parker here in about 40 minutes. So we are going to go to Five Guys, grab some food, and then I think we have about 6 hours after that.
What's up, brother?
What is your opinion on Toby's Mustang? Do you think that the Cloudstang is going to give it the gap?
At the moment, no. I could probably run faster than my car.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be honest, dude. That Mustang of his is so slow, and that booger green color.
I put my juice in his gas tank once and he didn't notice.
That's probably why it beat the Cloudstang.
It never beat the Cloudstang, okay?
There's a video.
I just missed a gear. I missed a gear.
You can't miss a gear in an
You know how
auto.
embarrassing that is to miss a
Insert
gear
clip
in an auto?
right here of John getting gapped.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hold up, hold up.
3, 2, 1.
What happened? What happened? Well, there we go. Good old Atlanta traffic. We're still going ahead. We've got about 13 minutes before we go see Parker. As you can see, we're in good old Atlanta. We have Toby over here trying to park the U-Haul. Looks like he's doing a better job than John. All right, bring her back. Come on, keep her going. See Mr. Toberson. He's got this in the back.
Stop. You're good.
Bro, you can't.
Hell yeah, brother. How was that for a first time parking job with a big truck?
Bro, you can't leave it like this.
Why not?
Why not?
Look who it is.
It's Parker.
It's Parker.
What are you guys doing here?
What's up, dude?
Oh, finally, we're back in Florida. You excited?
We're home, baby.
We got 3 more hours and we're moving into the new house, so that's gonna be crazy. We'll pick it up once we get there.
Glutes press.
It's a YouTuber right here. Hey, you saw. What was his name? Rocky something? I don't know. You looked him up. He had like 40K on YouTube, and then what did he have on Insta? Did you see?
I didn't look at this stuff.
Just YouTube? Yeah. That's our boy right there, Ricky. Can you show his profile real quick? So he had that, what was that, the C5?
Yeah. There it is.
He has a few other cars too. Is this safe? What up? This guy in this sick Audi that likes Xander's Supra. What up, bro? Oh, he's gonna do a little roll with you? Is he?
Guys, we made it to Orlando. We are at good old Bahama Breeze, me and Toby's favorite restaurant on the planet. So we are going to grab some food, and then next time you see us, I guess we'll be at the house.
All right, we finally freaking made. Rufus, what are you doing? She just jumped on me.
None of us have seen this place in person.
And we signed the lease. Let's see it. Oh, it's actually nice. Just needs furniture, so it doesn't look like John's. Yeah, Rufus is definitely gonna come upstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rufus. Oh, this is nice.
Here's Daddy Zan's bedroom.
Rufus. Right here is gonna be my room, which is pretty nice. This house is pretty big, man.
Well, I was just saying, because now Parker can have downstairs, and this can be our office, our shared office.
This is just absolutely insane, but when we have sunlight tomorrow, we'll do a full tour of the house so you guys can see it. Parker, what do you think?
Now, Parker, what do you think about it?
I think that Rufus likes her new home a little bit more than we do. She's going crazy. God. As promised, we're gonna do a quick little house tour of our fantastic new house. So obviously this is the outside. We have the garage right there, which is completely separate from the house. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that. Now, Xander and I are gonna be putting our cars in here. As probably could tell, but this is a 2-car garage. I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and then we'll move on to the actual house. This is exactly what I was talking about. So the garage is completely separate from the other side of the house. This man is like next level sleep deprived. Well, obviously this is the living room. We have the kitchen right here, and then we have a whole separate floor. Parker is actually gonna be living in here, so this is gonna be his room. Almost totally forgot to show the outside, but yeah, it's super, super nice. We're gonna block that out right there, move on, and get inside the house. We don't need the address leaked. All of my addresses have been leaked. Use the mess, but then we're gonna go upstairs to show the upstairs portion. So run up here. This is Xander's room. This is the master bedroom. We've got Mr. Pennywise right there. Also the thing from Halloween. I did not know you had that, or Trick or Treat, whatever that movie's called. I actually like that. That's one of my favorite movies. Here is the bathroom to the master bedroom and the shower. This is actually my room, this side of the house. So I have my own bathroom right here. This is my shower, and then that's actually the extra room, but this is mine. Yeah, honestly, I have some lowering springs to install. Xander's probably gonna take a nap because he is absolutely exhausted.
I'm not taking a nap. We don't nap. We grind.
We're moving everything?
Yes.
Nice. So, on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe.